Hello and welcome. Uh, we are here to discuss an important topic, which is cloud security. Let's begin. Let's discuss the agendas which we are going to address in these slides. First is cloud security and importance. Second is key concepts in cloud security. Third, which is major cloud security threats. Fourth, which cloud security best practices. Fifth is cloud security solutions and tools. Sixth is future trends in cloud security. And the last is conclusion. Let's begin with cloud security and importance. So, as we all know, cloud security is a set of policy, practices, and control deployed to protect cloud-based data, applications, and infrastructure from cyber attacks and cyber threats. It is very important to secure your cloud services as the these key 4 points. The first point is data protection. As cloud environment often stores your sensitive data, it should be protected. Second is trust and compliances. As cloud security helps organizations with rules, regulations, so they can build trust on it. Third and fourth is business continuity and sharing responsibility, where business continuity is strong cloud security measures to protect systems, and share responsibility is cloud security ensure that while cloud providers manage infrastructure with security. So let's continue to key concepts in cloud security. Some of the key concepts are: first, identity and access management. A cloud security always have identity and access management where we can restrict who is going to access the data. Second, data loss preventions. Cloud security often use multiple uh, data backup to prevent data loss. Third is web security. As we know, multiple attacks can be done by browsers, so we have to secure through web. Fourth is email security. Email security, as we all know, our everything is linked with our emails, so it should need to be protected. Fifth, it's security assessments. On a daily basis, a cloud company should assess their security to provide a better security services to their consumers. Sixth is intrusion management, where in this management services, we try to take care of the outside intruders so we can improve our security services. Seventh is security information and event management. Day to day, all the providers should give their security services to the consumer that they can be secure that they are protected. Eight is encryption. We can encrypt the outgoing and incoming of the data, which is send and request of the data to make it more secure. Ninth is business continuity and disaster management. As we all know, all providers are being using this key point to prevent their data from loss and their infrastructure to be total loss. Last is network security. Let's jump to the major security threats, which is these points, which are data breach and leaks, account hacking, insider threats, malware injection attacks, and denial of services, which are first, data breach and leaks. The data breach and leaks are unauthorized access exposing sensitive information. As we can see here is one of the example where Capital One has breached their data in 2009, where we can see the incident was from the former Amazon Web Services employee where the impact is a very big impact, about 100 million users, and the cause of this breach is due to firewall mismanagement. Next, next is account hacking. Hacking uh, risk from employees or contractors with who have their access. We can see here a example of Dropbox account hacking incident in 2012, where the incident gained access to the several Dropbox data, where the impact was all the email address and sensitive informations were leaked. Third, insider threats. Insider threats are the risk from employees or the contractors who can access the data. We can see an example here of the Tesla insider sabotage incidents in 2020, where insiders' information were leaked outside from the Tesla. Fourth is malware injection attacks. Malware, malware injection attacks are injecting malicious code to the main code to compromise the data. Here we can see the example of 2007 WannaCry ransomware attack, where the data were leaked from FedEx, a big company known FedEx. Last, which is denial of services. As we all know, denial of services is disrupting services, making resource unavailable. Here is the one of the great example of it is GitHub DOS attack in 2008. Let's discuss cloud services best practices. We consider three main best practices as identification, authorization, and authentication. Identification in the context of cybersecurity, we can refer to the process where verifying a user where, via different means like email addresses or their phone number or a different key nodes. Here we can I have also attached an incident of Facebook where uh, this authorization or best practices is being leaked or unfollowed. Next is authorization. Authorization is the process that determines what action or access rights you have or a user have in an application or a web site. So I also have attached a target data breach, which is a US big uh, multi-purpose company where the data was leaked in 2013 due to random authentication of a 40 million user base. Last is authentication. Here, in a deep process of verifying an individual or device which is legitimate or not. I also attempt a Yahoo data breach because of this, where Yahoo did not attach it. Second, upcoming is cloud security and solution tools. Let's discuss that. Let's discuss first SIEM. S- SIEM stands for Security Information and Event Management. Security Information and Event Management is a cloud-based security solution that helps organizations detect and respond to cyber threats. I have given some of the examples like IBM QRadar, ArcSight, or AlienWard as an examples. Next, which is CASB, which is Cloud Access Security Broker. Cloud Access Security Broker, a security policy enforce points that sites between cloud services and users are being protected. Here are some examples of it. McAfee mVision Cloud, MS Office Defender for Cloud, and Camphor Cloud. Next is DLP, which is data loss prevention. As we all know, it helps in keeping an organization's sensitive data and critical information safe from cyber attacks and insider threats. Here are some of the examples which are ForcePoint, Digital Guardian, and etc. Let's jump to the future trends in cloud security. Future trends in cloud security. Let's start this. First is AI and machine learning. We can use AI with the help of machine learning to train from the different types of attacks from different types of actions. Next is quantum computing. It is a faster type of computing than a normal computing, so we can detect and analyze the threats as before. Last is privacy regulations. A committee should conduct privacy regulations around their data, cloud data and services so it can be protected. In conclusion, we can say that cloud security is essential to protect your sensitive data and manage trust as organization embrace cloud computing. Thank you.